Put the lemons in a bowl and step on them to release every drop of juice. My feet even get a moment of relaxation from it. Then, sprinkle everything with baking soda and pour in hot water. Dip the mop and let the ingredients blend. Mop the floors thoroughly. This mixture leaves the floor not only perfectly clean, but beautifully refreshed with a citrusy lemon aroma that makes you want to walk on it barefoot. Don't throw away your old, dirty mop. Cut off the worn ends to create a clean base. Then grab a microfiber cloth and wrap it around the mop head. Put the old cover back on top to keep everything tight. Dip the mop head in water and clean your floor as usual. You no longer need to buy a new mop. A simple cloth from home is enough. This is the best and easiest way to clean your windows. I guarantee you'll always clean them this way from now on. Your windows will shine like never before, and you won't need to climb a ladder anymore. Let me show you the best way to clean exterior windows. Grab a bucket and a mop, the same one you use for your floors. We'll prepare the cleaning solution in the bucket. Pour about a liter of warm water into it. Make sure it's not boiling or too hot. Next, add 2 cups of vinegar. Vinegar has disinfecting and cleaning properties, removes bacteria, and leaves no streaks. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix everything well. Soak the mop in the solution, just like you do when cleaning floors. Squeeze out the excess water and start washing the windows. They will be perfectly clean. If there's any excess water left, take a microfiber cloth and secure it to the mop handle with rubber bands. Use it to wipe away any remaining moisture. You'll see your windows shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also incredibly effective. Grab a bucket and the mop you usually use to clean the floor. In the bucket, prepare a mixture. Pour about 1 liter of hot water into the bucket. It shouldn't be boiling, but still hot. Add 2 cups of vinegar, which has disinfecting and cleaning properties, leaving no streaks and removing bacteria from surfaces. Next, add 50 grams of baking soda, which also disinfects. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. This mixture removes dirt, grime, stains, and bad odors. Mix everything together. Soak the mop in the bucket, as you would when cleaning the floor. Squeeze out the excess water and start cleaning the bathtub. You can clean it thoroughly without bending over. The tub will be perfectly clean. Rinse it with water and let it dry. If there's any excess water left, use a microfiber cloth to wipe it away. You'll see that the tub will shine with cleanliness like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Apply shaving foam to the mop. This trick was shared with me by a luxury hotel cleaner. Shaving foam is more than just a shaving product. It has cleaning and degreasing properties and removes tough stains. Its ingredients, such as glycerin and moisturizing agents, give surfaces a polished look. Cover the mop with shaving foam and gently spread it across the floor. Shaving foam also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Now, fill a bucket with water and add fabric softener and vinegar. The fabric softener leaves a pleasant scent and makes the floor more resistant to dust buildup. It also has an anti-static effect. Vinegar, on the other hand, is a natural cleaner with disinfecting and degreasing properties. It effectively removes dirt and bacteria. Soak the mop in the prepared solution and wipe the entire floor. The combination of shaving foam, fabric softener, and vinegar creates an exceptional cleaning mix. This method not only leaves the floor sparkling clean, but also keeps it fresh for longer and less prone to dust accumulation. No wonder professionals in luxury hotels use it. Sprinkle and pour it on the bathroom floor. The dirt will be gone. All you need is a homemade mixture that works wonders on dirty tiles. It's made only with everyday household ingredients, and that's all it takes to create the perfect cleaner. Pour 2 teaspoons of laundry detergent into a bowl and add about 2 cups of boiling water. Stir until the detergent fully dissolves. Add about ½ cup of fabric softener, any scent you like. Then pour in 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and about 4 cups of water. Mix everything thoroughly. Grab an empty bottle and pour this powerful, fresh-smelling cleaner into it, and you're good to go. When your floor is dirty, sprinkle some baking soda over it. Then, pour the homemade cleaner right on top. The combination of baking soda and this solution will take care of all the grime. For tougher spots, scrub the floor with a broom or a brush. Then mop as usual. I promise, your floor will be cleaner than ever before. Don't throw away your old mop. Don't waste money on a new one when you can easily refresh it. A dirty mop doesn't clean, it spreads dirt and leaves streaks. Regular cleaning removes accumulated dust, dirt, and bacteria, making your floor truly clean. Start by removing the mop head and preparing a large bowl or bucket. Pour 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will remove dirt and leave a fresh scent. Add 100 milliliters of vinegar. It has antibacterial properties, dissolves grease, and effectively eliminates streaks. Then, add 500 milliliters of hot water and soak the mop in this mixture. Let it sit for an hour to allow the dirt to dissolve. While waiting, clean the bucket. Spray it with cleaning fluid, scrub with a sponge, and rinse thoroughly. After an hour, remove the mop, pour a small amount of cleaner over it, and scrub with a brush. Finally, rinse thoroughly and leave it to dry. Done. Your mop is clean, fresh, and looks like new. Repeat this process regularly, and cleaning will become easier with streak-free floors. A deep cleaning and disinfecting floor wash for the area around the toilet. Into the bucket, pour a bowl of baking soda. It's a slightly abrasive substance, which effectively cleans surfaces of dirt. It has an alkaline reaction, neutralizing acids and absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add a tablespoon of Domestos. It's a substance that eliminates 99% of germs. It eradicates bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Another ingredient is dish soap. Pour a tablespoon into the bucket. It's excellent for removing greasy stains from the floor. Additionally, it has shining properties and leaves no streaks. Add another dish soap. Then, add half a measure of floor cleaner. It has a lovely scent and makes the floor shine like a mirror. The secret ingredient is fabric softener. Add 1/3 of a measure. Just a bit of this substance is enough. It has anti-static properties. Thanks to it, dust doesn't settle as strongly. Pour everything with a glass of vinegar. If you want a floral scent to linger in the bathroom for many days, you can add a few laundry scent boosters. Pour 2 liters of boiling water into the bucket, then add some cold water. Warm water cleans much more effectively. Additionally, it activates the cleaning substances. With this prepared mixture, wash the floor around and under the toilet. It's the dirtiest place in the entire bathroom. I do such thorough tile cleaning once every 3 months. The unpleasant smell of urine and moisture disappears.